Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. I'm about to go into the Briarly one bedroom. This is the 1 minute or so quick walkthrough. So we're looking at the Briarly here. It's super pretty. It's got some amazing kitchen work here, lovely cabinets. I love the flooring that's here too. It's really light and bright. It's really attractive. It feels fun and very comfortable. This has got some great seating in here. There's 2 chairs, but it could easily be 4. Also, I see a great living room area that just feels chill and fun. There is a wonderful patio out here too. The patio is great. This is perfect for pets. It's adorable, perfect for pets. And then let's go take a look inside the bedroom and bath real quick. The bedroom's here. The bedroom is adorable too. That's a king bed. You've got a lot of space in here. And then there is a beautiful bathroom in here with open shelving. That's really cool. I love this look and feel in here. It's got a nice shower, and that goes all the way up to the wall there, that backsplash, and it's got a really great closet that's a walk-in. This is a very attractive 1 bedroom at the Briarly. I really like what I'm seeing here, and it feels great. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing here, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you'd like to set up a virtual tour, that's what I suggest, is a virtual live tour. Send me a text and say, I'd love to get a free virtual live tour. I'll take care of that for you right away. We could do that as early as today. I'd love to help you with that. Send me a text. Just use the number below. It's a part of our 100% free service.